Is the Doona still the gold standard, or has the Evenflo Shyft DualRide changed the game? We're comparing the Doona to the Evenflo Shyft in case you aren't able to. Starting with the features you'll use every day. For the stroller frame, both convert from infant car seat to stroller with the pull of a lever. But the Shyft lets you separate the stroller frame from the carrier, while the Doona has a built-in stroller frame that's always attached. As for the fold, both fold and unfold easily, but the Doona folds into car seat mode in one step while keeping baby in the right recline position, while the Shyft requires you to remove accessories before folding and reposition baby to the right recline once it's in stroller mode. When it comes to the handlebar, both have an adjustable handlebar, but the Shyft's handlebar is taller, making it a better fit for taller parents. It also stays in the carrier position when installing in a car, while the Doona handlebar is lower, making it hard for taller parents to use. And it takes an extra step when installing in a car. The handlebar has to be rotated down to serve as the anti-rebound bar. For the harness, both use a 5-point harness. But the Shyft's harness has a one-step adjustment process that grows with your baby and includes buckle holders to keep straps out of the way, while the Doona harness takes more time to adjust and doesn't have buckle holders. For the canopy, both have UPF 50+ canopies and are tricky to adjust, but the Shyft's canopy extends further for more sun protection, while the Doona's canopy is shorter and doesn't offer as much coverage. When it comes to storage, neither car seat has traditional stroller storage, but the Shyft includes a removable carry-all storage bag that attaches to the stroller frame. And while the Doona allows you to add a storage bag, it must be purchased separately. When it comes to the weight, both are heavier than your average infant car seat because of the built-in wheels, but the Doona is lighter at 17.2 pounds, while the Shyft is heavier at 19.7 pounds. And yes, that extra weight is noticeable, especially when getting in and out of a car. As far as maneuverability and ride go, neither stroller has built-in suspension, so they both are better suited for quick errands on smooth pavement. But the Doona actually has slightly larger wheels than the Shyft, which can help it handle sidewalk cracks and curbs a bit better. While the Shyft's smaller wheels are fine for indoor use, like malls or airports, they may not feel as stable on rougher ground. Now let's talk about travel and safety. When it comes to installation with the base, both car seats come with bases for secure installation. But the Shyft's base is easier to install because it has a tensioning arm to help tighten the seatbelt and 2 bubble levels that indicate when the seat is aligned properly. While the Doona's base is harder to install because it does not have a tensioning arm and its level indicators are smaller and may be more challenging to read. Both car seats can also be installed without the base, making them travel-friendly, and both are FAA approved. But the Doona's installation is quicker because the wheels stay attached. Just buckle the seatbelt over the front and you're good to go. While the Shyft cannot be installed with the wheels on, which requires the extra step of taking them off. As for the safety features, both car seats offer safety features like an anti-rebound bar. But the Shyft comes with a safety alert system that notifies you of potential safety issues, like when the chest clip has been unbuckled or the car temperature gets too hot or cold. And while the Doona has a similar safety alert system, it has to be purchased separately. When it comes to longevity, both seats top out at 30 pounds and 32 inches. But the Shyft has more customizable options for smaller babies, like additional inserts, a more adjustable harness system, and a deeper recline. While some parents find it harder to get a snug fit for tiny babies with the Doona because the harness sits a bit higher. Something to keep in mind for both strollers is that once your child outgrows the seat in approximately a year, you'll need to buy a convertible car seat and a new stroller. And then for value and affordability, both strollers are similarly priced, but the Shyft includes a carry-all storage bag and a removable adult cup holder, while the Doona comes with a vehicle seat protector. Our final take? Both the Shyft and the Doona deliver on the promise of a car seat stroller combo. The Shyft gives you more options, like separating the stroller frame to use only the carrier, a taller handlebar for parents and caregivers of different heights, and it comes with a detachable bag for storage. But the Doona wins on convenience. It's easier to switch between car seat and stroller mode, to install without a base in ride shares and on planes, and travel with thanks to its light weight. If you prioritize flexibility and added features, go with the Shyft. If you want simplicity and speed, go Doona. Just keep in mind that both are convenient for the first year, but are not long-term solutions.